Hello, my glammies. Hola, muchachas. How you doing? Okay, so this review will be in English and Spanish. Este review va a ser en inglés y en español para que todo el mundo entienda. So let me start first by saying this review, as you can see, you probably see in the title, is for the circle lenses. I got circle lenses from Angelic Rain, and I gotta say, when I first tried them on, I had, well, with this eye was a little bit more uncomfortable than with the other, but like I think I already got used to it because it's not really bothering me anymore. So I'm gonna show you they came. Oh, first let me tell you that I got the pink ones. I never had pink contacts before, and I love pink, so I had to get the pink ones. Any other color I could get, but this circle contacts, since they're 14.0 in diameter, so they're pretty big. You know, it's not like the ones that Glamis.com has, but it has pretty good size for anime looking contacts. The reason why I got anime looking contacts is because I love doing doll like tutorials, and this one makes my eyes more anime looking, and I love that. I also love that, they're not really as dry as people say they are, but I've only been wearing it for an hour. Of course, there's always a chance that your eyes are different than mine and you might need the little drops. But I'm gonna put a picture of what they look like right now. And now I'm gonna show you what they look like in my eye. Okay, so they came in this two little jars, and you have to be careful because they come with this top, and around the top it brings this metallic case to hold them in. You really have to be careful with that because when, like, this is the second one I opened and it came popped up pretty good, but my first one wasn't all that good because it's my first time opening them. And you can see right here that I basically ripped it apart. I needed to get to them. They're so freaking cute. Did I say freaking? I'm sorry. They're so cute. I love them. So yeah, so then you rip it apart, you peel it open, and then you go around, and then they pop open, and they bring with the solution. I also got, a little case that they come with. I already put the solution already in there. And then they send me, a business card and a thank you for ordering angelicrain.com, and as a token of our appreciation, please take 5% off everything on the site. So I got some 5% off the site. Also, submit your YouTube video reviewing our product and reviews to receive free pair of contacts. So if you buy a pair of contacts and you do a review on it, you submit it, and then you have a chance of get some, you know, cool free contacts. So make sure that you go onto the website. I'm going to put all the link and everything directly down below, and then you check them out. You could buy a pair of contacts, do a review, and then submit that, and you might get a free pair of contacts. Again, this is the website. I love it. They're so anime looking in Japanese. I love that. And then they sent me a cool little gift. This is a cute necklace. Isn't that adorable? Thank you so much. I love everything. And Angelic Rain is being so nice that they're offering you guys a free contacts. So I will be doing a contest, and one lucky winner will get some free circle lenses. Okay, so I'm done with the English part. Now for my Spanish people. Ya terminé con la parte de inglés, ahora lo voy a explicar todo en español. Yo recibí de Angelic Rain estos contacts que parecen como las animaciones japonesas, y entonces ellos decidieron que yo podía hacer un giveaway con estos contacts. So, estate pendiente que yo voy a poner un video para que alguien se gane un par de lentes de contacto. Y entonces los lentes que yo cogí son los rosaditos, y como viste en la foto anterior, si viste la parte de inglés, puedes ver que vinieron en estas botellitas y también vinieron con esta cajita. Y tienes que tener cuidado porque cuando vienen sellados con este metálico, y con el primero como que me costó trabajo, como puedes ver aquí. A ver, déjame enseñarte. Así, me costó trabajo abrirlo, pero con el segundo ya me fue más fácil. Entonces es todo, tú sabes, de práctica. Aparte, ellos me mandaron una tarjetita con el website de ellos. Yo voy a poner este link aquí abajo y puedes ir a visitar el website. También me mandaron una tarjetita que dice que si tú unos lentes de contacto de Geo Circle Lens, ellos te dan una tarjeta con 5%. También te dan un par de lentes gratis si haces un video como review y se lo mandas a ellos. So puedes tener chance de coger lentes de contacto gratis. Los que yo tengo son los rosaditos, como dije antes, y 14.8 en, no sé, cómo decirlo, en diamétricos, o tú sabes, el tamaño. Ya no sé el inglés, se me está olvidando el español. Ok, so, son bastante grandes, son más grandes que donde va el ojo. So, estate pendiente en el tamaño que tú quieres. Y no te pierdas el concurso que voy a hacer, y alguien se puede ganar los lentes estos que son lindos. Y puedes escoger tu color también. Again, I really love my Geo Circle lenses, and the ones that I got are pink, and they're in diameter. 14 point. So if you want to check them out, go on to the website and stay tuned for the giveaway. Hope you enjoyed it, and tell me how it looks on me. Anyways, kisses. Ciao.